Feel like there's never enough money at the end of the month? You're not alone. This is WealthWise with Mike. Today, we'll show you how to build a budget, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Start by tracking your income and expenses. It's the only way to see where your money's going. Cover your essentials first: rent, groceries, transport. If your income is tight, needs come before wants. Set aside even $5 a week. It builds a habit and a safety net. Cut back where you can. Swap that $6 coffee for home brew. It adds up fast. You don't need a six-figure income to take control of your money. Start small, stay consistent. Subscribe to WealthWise with Mike. New videos every week.